Welcome to Bodytonic Clinic, your one-stop shop for all your chiropractic needs in London. We have convenient locations in Canada Water and Stratford. In this video, we will discuss what chiropractic care is and how it can benefit you. What is chiropractic care? Chiropractic care is a natural form of healthcare that focuses on restoring the body's natural alignment through manual adjustments. Chiropractors believe that misalignments in the spine can lead to a variety of health problems, including pain, inflammation, and even disease. By adjusting the spine, chiropractors can help to improve the body's overall function and well-being. Benefits of chiropractic care. Chiropractic care has been shown to be effective in treating a variety of conditions, including back pain, neck pain, headaches, joint pain, sciatica, fibromyalgia. Chiropractic care at Bodytonic Clinic. At Bodytonic Clinic, our experienced chiropractors are dedicated to providing you with the highest quality of care. We offer a variety of chiropractic services, including chiropractic adjustments, massage therapy, rehabilitation exercises, nutritional counseling. We are confident that we can help you achieve your health and wellness goals.